This race is going to get intense.
Ents! The excavator is ready too? The mud is splashing everywhere!
Steady. The track is super slippery now.
Whoa! Don't get stuck! The mountain is falling apart! Watch the falling rocks! That was so close! The bridge is breaking!
Keep moving! Don't stop now!
Jump! Jump! It's flying! The truck is really flying!
That jump was huge.
Go, go, go! Jump now! Wah! They found a turbo boost!
That speed boost is powerful.
They're going super fast now! Wah! A giant storm is ahead!
We're entering the next challenge.
Go, go, go! Into the storm! The tornadoes are huge!
Stay focused. The wind is getting stronger.
The wind pushed the Jeep! The tornado is on the track!
Push through the wind.
The Jeep is sliding! I can't see anything!
Stay steady. Keep driving forward.
The storm is pushing them!
Woo! The water splashes are huge.
The track is slippery now.
The Jeep is surfing! The wave is bigger than the trucks!
Push through it.
They're still going! Woo! This place is huge!
Watch the moving obstacles.
That arm almost hit the Jeep! The Sky Road is breaking!
Careful. The platforms are unstable.
Don't fall! They're racing in the sky!
This track is incredible.
The road is a rainbow! The rainbow ring is glowing! That ring will make them even faster. Go through the ring! Wah! The cloud road is spinning!
Stay balanced on the tunnel.
The Jeep is driving sideways. Whoa! Everything is made of crystals!
The road is very slippery here.
The crystals are sparkling! They're sliding so fast!
The slide keeps twisting.
The Jeep is drifting on the wall! They're boosting to the finish! The final gate is just ahead. Who's gonna win? Woo! Everybody finished!
That was an amazing race.
See you next race, friends! Don't forget to subscribe for more adventures.